As hikers follow the College Woods Trail system in Durham, they may happen along a peaceful view of Oyster River. This tributary is one of 3 raw water sources supplying the new, state-of-the-art water treatment plant at the University of New Hampshire. This new plant is the result of several years of careful planning, design, and construction to ensure the university's campus and Durham residents have high-quality drinking water. Woodard & Curran partnered with Waterline Industries to deliver the plant under a collaborative design-build contract. With the capacity to treat up to 2 million gallons of water a day, it is designed to accommodate a significant population increase each fall when UNH students return to campus, nearly doubling the town's population. The Zero Liquid Discharge Facility recycles clean supernatant and rainfall collected by the residuals handling lagoons back to the head of the treatment process. Flow rate controls allow operators to manage how much of each raw water and recycled supply is entering the facility to optimize treatment. Online instrumentation alerts operators of raw water quality changes, including turbidity, pH, and temperature, to help better manage treatment strategies. As construction neared completion, the university hired Woodard & Curran under an operations contract. Woodard & Curran hired the existing operations staff, who were engaged throughout the design and construction of the new facility, which allowed for a smooth transition when it was commissioned in March 2020.